All right, RestoMods Nation, we are in the final days of RM28. That means someday soon, somebody's gonna take home this incredible 1970 HEMI Cuda and $50,000 in cash. I wanted to take this opportunity while we have a couple days left in the sweepstakes to count down our 5 favorite things about this badass Cuda. Let's start from the exterior and just how this car looks visually. I mean, this thing is resale red, arrest me red, whatever you want to call it. We're calling it Viper red in the Mopar tradition. It's painted absolutely incredible. I would call it a 9.5 out of 10. This is absolutely show quality paint, but that's only on the surface. Underneath that, there's been a ton of custom body work done to this car. You can see where they've rolled in the edges, they've shaved the marker lights. It's all custom and it's finished in this incredible red paint, giving it this stunning look that really complements the body lines. You can see everything that's been shaved off this car, shaved door handles. When we got it, it actually didn't have rear view mirrors. We added the rear view mirrors because safety first, but it really accentuates this body line, which they just don't make anymore, and is instantly recognizable as a 1970 Cuda. It lets you know right here on the hood vinyl graphics that it is packing that 6.1 liter Gen 3 HEMI underneath the hood. And all that combines for just an incredibly arresting visual experience. When you drive this thing around, it gets tons of attention, looks, honks. If you ever wanna meet a middle-aged guy, just stop and get gas in this car and you will meet several right away asking you what year this is and all sorts of other questions, ultimately culminating in, nice car, man, have a good one. So we're excited to give this away to somebody. Again, if you don't have your entries yet, you've been living under a rock, head over to restomods.com, claim those entries. Any purchase on the website, pick up a hat, a t-shirt. We've got all kinds of Cuda specific merchandise and all kinds of stuff that you probably buy anyways, but if you buy it from us, you might just take home this 1970 HEMI Cuda and 50 grand in cash.